DML instead of trigger for insert. For this, we create table TBL fruit, fruit ID, fruit name, fruit price, and these are two records added into this table. We use TBL fruit audit table having audit ID, fruit name, fruit price, username, action date, action type. If we see the tables, then fruit table have two records and this audit table is empty. Those who are watching this video, they can watch DML after insert trigger video in our channel to get better idea of DML instead of trigger. It is necessary to watch DML after insert trigger video. If we see here, we can see there is no any trigger on this TBL fruit table. We first create instead of trigger. For that, create trigger tr for instead of insert. Create trigger name. This trigger name may be any name on TBL fruit on table on which we want to create trigger. So this is table name TBL fruit. Then here we can mention instead of insert as begin then end. Here we can give any statement to show the end user any message. Print instead of trigger fired for insert event. If we execute this, we can see tr for instead of insert trigger created successfully. If we try to insert a record into the table, we can see instead of trigger fire for insert event, then one row affected. If we see here, we can see there is no insertion of the record mango. There is no insertion of record in the TBL fruit table. In the case of after insert trigger, first record inserted into the table and then after insert trigger fired and show the message one row affected. But here this trigger instead of trigger fired before inserting the row into the table. So till now the row is not inserted into the table, but trigger is fired before insertion of row into the table. So we can't see any row, but we have seen that there was line one row affected. Then if there is no insertion of any record into the table, then why that message was there, because in case of after inserted trigger, we have seen there was a magic table inserted. In this way, here there is one magic table inserted. So row is inserted into that magic table only and not inserted into the actual table. If we give here sentence select star from inserted and we have alter the trigger, so alter trigger, and then we execute this, then we can get idea. If we execute this, we can see 0 grapes and 75. This is the record from inserted table, and here it is, here id becomes 0 because the id of inserted table is matches with id of actual table, but in actual table there is no insertion of any record, so id here becomes 0. We have seen in the case of after insert trigger, the id of inserted record into the tpl fruit table and id of inserted magic table was same, but here there was no insertion of record in the tpl fruit table, so id is 0 in tpl fruit table for record, so the same id is for record in the inserted table, so it is 0. We can see here that if we try to create another instead of insert trigger, here we can see new, and we try to create another instead of trigger, then cannot create trigger tr for instead of insert new on tpl fruit because an instead of insert trigger already exists on this object. So if there is one instead of insert trigger, then we can't create any another instead of trigger. Now we will see same example which we have seen for after insert trigger. We see what happened in the case of instead of insert trigger. First we drop this trigger. If we see here, because we can't create two instead of insert triggers, so we first drop this trigger, then we take the same example. Here create trigger after insert. We give the name of tr for instead of insert, and on tpl fruit after insert we give here instead of insert. Then as begin, we declare the variables id, name, price. Then we take the id from inserted table, name from the inserted table, price from the inserted table, and then insert this record into the tpl fruit audit table. And so we insert id, name, price, and also system username, then get date. Because of this we get the current date and time, and which action, for which action, here insert, we give here instead of insert, and here after insert, instead of after insert trigger of insert trigger fired, and if we execute this, if we execute this, we can see trigger created successfully. If we try to insert this record orange 50, then we get the message one row affected. Instead of insert trigger fired, one row affected. One row affected means insertion of record in the tbl fruit audit table, and instead of insert trigger fired, then one row affected means this is the insertion of record in the inserted table. If we see here, we can see orange is not added in the table, but here we can see orange is added in the tbl fruit audit table. Orange, then fruit price, then username, then action date and time, and instead of insert. Trigger action is also instead of insert, but here we see the id 0, and here there is no any record in the table. Now if we want to insert the record in the tbl fruit table and the same entry insert into tbl fruit audit table, then we'll see how we can do that. We have seen that even though the record was not inserted into the tbl fruit table, but it was inserted into the inserted magic table. So here we insert into tbl fruit, select fruit name, fruit price from inserted, because if we take select star from inserted, we have seen that id in the inserted table was 0 in this trigger. So then the idea of tbl fruit also becomes 0, but it is not necessary, because in the tbl fruit there is id column with identity primary key. We have seen that the id of record in the inserted table was 0. So here we take this sentence, select id from is equal to fruit id from inserted. It is not useful here. So here select id from id is equal to fruit id from tbl fruit, because tbl fruit will take the id automatically, and that id will insert into tbl fruit audit table. These are the changes to get record in the tbl fruit table and tbl fruit audit table properly. Now we execute this. Now if we try to insert record Now we can see one row affected instead of insert trigger fired in one row affected. This one row affected is the row inserted into TBL fruit table. This one row affected is the row inserted into TBL fruit audit table, and the message for end user instead of insert trigger fired. Then this one row affected is the row inserted into inserted magic table. If we see here, now we can see here fruit ID 3, fruit name banana, then fruit price 40. Here audit table, in audit table, here in audit table audit ID is 2, fruit ID is 3. Both the fruit IDs are similar. Then banana price is same. Then username, then action username, action date contains current date and time. Then action type contains instead of insert event. Now we can see, even though the trigger is instead of insert trigger, the record is properly inserted into TBL fruit table and record is properly inserted into TBL fruit audit table. So that's all for instead of insert trigger. Thanks for watching.